Today there's a new way we are come to make money. We are come to learn how to make money online through our mobile money, and we are come to perform a simple task which we can make 110 cedis into our mobile money account. Yes, here is the app. I have signed up and the name is Tech Solutions. As you know, I have 70 points. Yeah, this is the 70 points I have. That's the latest survey I've performed right now. So I'll show you the step-by-step way you can also make that 110 cedis in your mobile money. So please stay tuned. As you see, news, rating, step-by-step, award. Maybe you just started your journey with the Singapore community. So it is easy to make money from this app. I'll leave the app link in the video description below. So when you go and click on it, it will lead you straight to the Play Store for you to download the app and start making money online. This is a simple way and a simple task you perform. It will not be difficult for you to do it. And the other way you can also make more points from it is just grab your referral link and share to your friends so that you can get a point from there. Invite friends and earn 5 bonus points. Yes, you can also allow your friend to scan your code so that you can earn points from there. You can copy your link and share to the Facebook groups and others for you to make more money online there. Yes, you can withdraw through your mobile money. Please take note, this is Singapore app or the software which you can withdraw to the mobile money. And here is my profile, payment, change language and others are all there. So when I click on profile, here's my profile, 70 points I have earned, everything here, blah blah blah, date and others, and my mail, and you can do your settings here. It is easy to do it. Please take note of it. Subscribe to the channel for you to receive a notification when we upload a new video. We have a massive way to make money online. Just check the video description below to grab more link there and redeem. Points available to redeem is 70 points, and you can withdraw when you reach 500 points. It is for 110 cedis, and you can withdraw through your mobile money. Yes, that's what I've shown you. Just look at it carefully. 110 cedis. Just a simple task you perform and reach 5,000 points, then withdraw into your mobile money. That is a cool catch for you. That is simple surveys you can. It's just a questions they will ask you, simple questions they will ask you for you to answer. Then you grab the point, and the point is easy to do it, or it is easy to get it. Please, I said, subscribe to the channel for you to receive more videos, more valuable content like this, and make more money online. Please take things into practice. Don't watch it just like that, please. And please, again, here's my point. Welcome to the Singapore community, and here's the points, 5 points. Here's the task I have performed, and this is the task that they have approved now. For now I have 200 points, and it is left with a few points for me to withdraw my money on, and I'll show it to you when everything is successful. Many of my friends have been withdrawn from this app or the software, so you too can also withdraw or make money online. This one, you won't invest anything. Just grab the link in the video description, register and perform the task to make money online. The task you perform it daily. Yes, there's a daily task you perform. Please subscribe to the channel and make more money online. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.